If you're over 50 and even thinking about dipping your toe back into the dating world, well, I want to talk to you about something that might already be sitting right under your nose, and that is Facebook dating. Hello, lovely people. Let's talk about the biggest free dating site that you may not have heard of. If you're over 50 and even thinking about dipping your toe back into the dating world, well, I want to talk to you about something that might already be sitting right under your nose, and that is Facebook dating. Yep, really. Not Tinder, not Bumble, not Hinge, Facebook. Now, before you go and roll your eyes at me, as I'm sure you're doing, I just want you to hear me out, because this might just be one of the easiest and most underrated ways to actually meet someone new later in life. And it's now the biggest dating site out there. Why does Facebook dating work so well for people over 50? Well, first of all, most people over 50 are already on Facebook. Yep, they all are. And you're not learning a brand new platform. You're not figuring out all of this thing around swiping or confusing features. It's actually really familiar. You probably already use it to keep up with your friends and your family, or just occasionally for bits of harmless snooping. Of course they're harmless. That alone removes a huge barrier for you. Second, it feels a bit more real, because unlike some of the other dating apps where profiles can be and feel, let's say, creatively enhanced, Facebook actually pulls from an existing account that you've got. So that means that the people on there tend to be more real. You can often also see mutual friends, shared interest, and you just get a fuller picture of who someone actually is. And third, it's completely free. Yep, it is. It's got no hidden subscriptions, no pay to see who likes you. You can connect, you can chat, and you can explore without worrying about being upsold every 5 minutes. So it's totally free. Finally, it's designed to be a bit more gentler. There's no swiping frenzy, and it encourages you to be more thoughtful about your matches and your conversations, which, let's be honest, is far more appealing when you're a person who is not looking for a quick fling, but something perhaps a little bit more meaningful. So how do you actually access Facebook dating? Well, here's the thing. Facebook dating is only available via their app. They're a bit sneaky like that. It's not automatically visible. So you do have to go looking for it. And it is only available in certain countries. So here's how to find it. You actually open your Facebook app on your phone. It doesn't work on desktop. You tap the three little lines, usually in the bottom right, and you'll see then when you scroll down, you scroll across until you see dating. You tap it, and then you follow the prompts to set up your profile. It won't be visible to your Facebook friends unless they're also using the Facebook dating feature. So you can just explore without worrying that your entire social circle is seeing you on the dating app. And I just want to give you a few tips to get started. Of course, it goes without saying, use your recent photos. No one wants to meet the 2009 version of you. Be really honest about what it is that you're looking for and what you want, because it just saves time and really awkward conversations. And take your time. You don't need to rush into anything. Think of it as a way to meet someone new, a new person, not a high pressure mission. And final thoughts about this: dating over 50 isn't about starting over. It's about starting from your experience. And you know what you want, you know yourself better, at least I hope you do. And tools like Facebook dating actually can make the whole process feel a lot more accessible, even a bit fun. I always think it should be fun. So if you've been curious, but maybe hesitant, sitting on the shelf about all this, this might be your gentle nudge to actually give it a go. Listen, you've got nothing to lose, and quite possibly someone very interesting to gain. If you are worried about whether or not your erectile dysfunction is caused by a health concern or maybe psychogenic, please do check out the program that I created with Ken Schaffer, sexologist, called the Stay Firm program. It's 5 modules to help you understand the root cause, and you'll find the link at the end of this video.